Hey everyone, welcome back to another Internet Guru. Today, I'll show you how to buy Bitcoin on Bitcoin.com wallet app. First of all, open the Bitcoin app on your device. Then, sign up for your account. I have already signed up. After that, click the Buy Bitcoin button, which you can find on the home page. When you do that, you'll be taken to a new page. Now, it will ask you to enter the amount of Bitcoin in USD that you want to buy. For example, if I want to buy $2,500 worth of Bitcoin, I will receive approximately 0.02161 BTC. Once I've selected the amount, I can choose which wallet to receive the Bitcoin in. By default, I can select my BTC wallet. Then I tap Continue. Now, it will ask me to take some pictures. It will connect to MoonPay, which is a network that helps process your payment. Once your payment is processed, using your Visa, debit, or MasterCard, you'll be able to proceed, sign in, and verify your payment method as well. Thanks for watching another Internet Guru. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a daily drop.